Hello, hello. Welcome. How y'all doing? It is I, JV the Wanderer. How you guys doing? I'm pretty much doing fine. Let me go ahead and get started. All right. So let's see if I remember what I did. Last time, I got pretty much all of my problem fixed. Most of my problem fixed. But I think I left off that the thing crashed. That the was part of it was crashed, and I had to in the stream there. So I think I believe I was able to fix the issue. So basically, the idea is like you're able to check if you're able to see the range of certain things. Like, for example, I'm hovering over this one thing, and I can see I'm able to select areas that I can use. Sorry, my mind's still empty right now. Basically, I'm able to click on the area to showcase the range, and to right click on an area within that area to showcase its AOE range. And that's basically it. I did run into a bug where, like, even though the area was made sense. One second. Even though the area makes sense, it didn't overlap properly. Like, for example, I right click and the center wasn't selected, even though it should be selected. So I had to go back and just fix that. It was like an easy fix. I had to put it was counting on each point. It was a skipping one in the beginning. So I had to put a equal sign next to it, and I pretty much just was able to get it fixed. So far, I also added like test skills to use. These are basically the same test skills I had in the previous project, but most of them are not functional. Well, I think most of them are functional. It's just that they're not ready to be used yet. I'm basically just getting through the I already got through this, and I'm just now currently working on the skill, the combat part. Okay, I think after that, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do next, test the combat, make sure that some of the code that's in combat gets ported in. Things that they're in Blueprint gets translated into C++, and if there are things that I couldn't translate properly, I'll just I'll have it fixed in some way. But for now, this is for now I want to go ahead and complete my debug section, so that next stream I'll be able to move on to more things, such as developing developing a map. I say developing a map, but developing designs, coming up with designs, coming with image ideas, coming up with skill ideas, and pretty much getting this game forward. Because this has been when the game was completing a project, I was actually in the process of getting that going until I had to stop everything because of course, the project crashed. So now, looking at this now, I think I'm pretty much close to getting this done. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, plan it. So what I need to do now is just to add this combat list and put in my debug menu. Of course, the way I do that is like what I always usually do. Go in here and actually just throw that in there. Combat list. Slap that bad boy in there, and we're basically good. I think everything should be stretch. Yeah, it needs to stretch. That way it looks a little nice. I do think I need to adjust the debug a bit more. Because this is actually taking over this looks like it's taking the whole map. And we're going to end up doing combat. And this is going to be showing in game. But probably later on, I'm pretty much almost done here. All right. Populate unit team update button. Okay, I know exactly what it needs. Get game mode. In this in the code, in the combat manager, I have a piece of code that checks if the game's ready for combat. So if I drag this and start combat, I get my list of combats that I get the list of things that I need to throw in just to start combat. Okay. Okay, so this is the particular variable we call start combat. Oh, that's why I named it. There we go. Save file. And here you are. We need to get you, and we need to go ahead and get that is enabled. All I'm doing also right now is making sure that if the button is should the button be enabled or not. what it basically means is like if all the prerequisite in the level is set and ready to go, it'll be enabled. If not, it'll be disabled. And there we are also going to actually, I have it on numbers, but real quick, I don't think people need to change the variable's name to something else better. This one's going to be unit. This one here is team. And this one here is to check if you're not in combat. Non-combat. There we go. Save, compile. I had to save and compile like crazy, man, because I do not feel like losing progress. All right, now we need to go ahead and get select. And all I'm doing right now is just making sure I can be able to change color. If it's not ready, it's red. If it's ready, it's gonna be green. We're not gonna try and make any special colors out of it. And these variables to the target. Kind of looking at this right now, I think there might be a better way for this, but I think it works. It's gonna work. Let's see. What is it today? I can't say I have done too much. I think I'm pretty much been staying on my computer working on this before the stream. Been watching videos, watching other VTubers, that sort of thing. But I can tell on Thursday. Thursday I went to a improv jam, and pretty much I had fun. I had like one of my local improv jams, and basically I had a blast. I felt like I got a lot better, because you probably y'all don't know what game jams not game jams, improv jams are. Just like people get together and they do what they call as a montage. They get a word, they do a scene based around that word, and basically have fun with it. I've been doing, and if it's like the best way to describe an improv, it'll be like Who Lines It Is It Anyway, but but it takes like 15 minutes for each session. I feel better about the jam because I've been taking more taking more on initiative. Um, helping out the team, moving the scenes along, and it's basically just having fun. I was a bit shocked about who was in who was there, who's not there. Oh, actually, more or less, who was not there. Usually there's a there's a group team that usually hosted, but the usual people that were there were not there at the moment. I don't know if it was because of vacation time, or it's like they just want to their focus on something else. But it was like, yeah, it's pretty unusual. It's pretty unusual. Now, of course, I'm just talking over it while I'm just kind of wasting time. I feel like I want to just like put myself out there and just communicate, rather than to just sit there accurate. Wait a second. Unit data, remember. Hey. Uh-oh. That might be something I need to actually. I think I had to add it in. The tag type. Here we go. Unit data. Remember. Yep. Not in here. Maybe in tactile type. Oh man, I don't think I have it. Unit set class, abilities. Is this something that no. Sorry, just kind of looking at my F unit data. Unit data remember. Okay, and so far what this needs is like a unit class, a direction team, check if it's AI or not, and index of where it was last played. And looking at this right now, oh yeah, I do have it. It's called F unit data remember. Okay. Variable. So, all right, we got it's there. I just need to create it. Unit data member. Okay, the reason why I have this created and I'm using the reason I have this structure created is because when I want to be able to switch from debug to main play combat, just so I can test things out. And what happens is like when I switch it, if I don't have something like something to remember the units, it's going to fudge up all the grid and the units themselves, making it very hard to test. So that's one of the reasons why this was created. I had this created. But to be straight up honest, I'm not sure if I create this or by myself or I did create it, but I'm not sure if I created it by myself or I made this based on the tutorial. If I did know I need to make make something to switch from debug to unit, trying out unit. All right, we're gonna get combat manager. Now to be straight honest, I either get the player controller or use a game mode to get the combat manager. But kind of looking at this now, it doesn't feel like this would matter a lot. Unit. Make a local variable, call it local unit. Why does it matter? Why do we do that? Any of that. I do need to get this in. I do need to add them. All right. Make. Okay. Need this direction. We need this team. Need a team index. We need to check if it's an AI. If this unit is set as an AI, and we need to get its class. And most importantly, we need to get its index. Index is just where I'm using it's just the place where they're located at the moment. Go and save. That's that function done. Restore unit. This gets called after everything's cleared and everything. Okay. Player controller. Get combat. Run clear and use the combat. And then we can just spawn those units. All right. We're going to get the unit class. We're going to get direction. I think in the future I do need to add in the unit's level. And then be able to override it. But that's gonna be in the future. That's future me problem. Right now, me needs to make sure most of these things are taken care of. Always on there, ignore collisions. Okay. This should be about everything, I think. Restore units. Yeah, that's about everything. I'll go with three months. I'm not sure it's gonna be a long stream or a short stream. But it's go pretty much dedicate my time to make at least 3 streams every week, every time. This is now just trying to find topics to say. Where it will be GameDev or just things I'm doing. I could talk about things about like something like this. Like, for example, why am I in a character like this? Like, not in the game why, but in stream. Like, why am I this guy? I usually stream with a live cam, but for this in particular, I'll say completely new. I have been doing this for a bit, but I haven't done like explain why. Well, like I said, I think back then I just want to get again to VTubing. And if I was going to get into VTubing, doing GameDev, what better way to do it in 3D than do it in 3D? I mean, I can do it in 2D, but I think I had plans to make certain events or make certain things using Unreal. Although I'm not sure that I think that is still a possibility, but I think there might be some software that's already out there that I can grab and use. But either way, I just want to be able to have fun with it. Like right now, I'm using this character is actually rendering from Unreal in my into my streaming PC. One thing to note: this is a dual streaming, dual PC streaming setup. So I'm just one PC is using for streaming, the other PC is just used to showcase the game or showcase the project I'm doing. And my hopes is in the future that I should be able to do some awesome streams, either gameplay wise or streaming wise. Of course, I'm just trying to get better at this right now. I mean, I was better at it back when I was streaming normally, but I just like stopped streaming for a moment because I guess I got a job I had to get a job and try to get everything taken care of on my end, and I guess I didn't have the energy to keep going while working. Well, while working and coming back home, so I felt I had to stop. But now, okay, times changed. Just want to get need to go ahead and get started. So yeah. Where we at here now? I'm at clicking on button. Designer, we should be good here. Okay, we got select, remove units. We should be able to see the teams, so let's go and get that taken care of. Skills, combat. Okay, if I add remove unit and just click down, I should ask myself why these have disappeared. I should also be able to change unit, but we're not doing it. It's not doing it. All right, first thing first, you set unit teams. Set unit team index. It might not be coded. So combat mention. Set unit team. Oh no, let's code it. Okay. If this unit is not 5, just add a remove thing. Go to combat manager. And let's take a look at my unit set team index. Okay. Most of the stuff right now I think is being implemented by my combat manager and my unit. Set team index. All right, here we go. All right, give me 1 second. Another thing that happened. I think way back I pretty much have a 3D character modeler that was using. And so far I do like this work. It's just like I kind of really wish that the work he done it's done a bit faster. For I think I maybe show it. Hold on a second. I'm able to show it. I just need to figure out what to show. So, okay. I had this guy made Axel. He's part member of Tempus. And basically he's low poly. He doesn't have a lot of textures. He's done in a way that the mods able to do it. But it turns out it took the guy about 3 months to get this one model taken care of. And I'm looking at like, okay, this is gonna take a while. This is gonna take forever. I don't think I'll be able to. If I'm going to use him, I need to hire another person to get this thing moving along. So I did actually reach out to him, see if he can make your base models for me to use for another model to use. But he told me it was be difficult. So like, all right, let's continue with you. I don't have anybody else. I do need a character to be molded. So yeah, I continue with him. But yesterday I was actually able to find their mauler. And so far I'm pretty much hoping that I'm able to see the process of that mauler. This one is a bit cheaper. It's a bit cheaper, and I heard this person is able to do it a bit more quicker. So, well, I'm just hoping I'm just gonna keep my mouth quiet and just hoping that help the process. I'll get those models out and ready to go. I just only have them do the characters that they're not super mandatory or not crazy mandatory right now, but I just need them done just so I can see if these models really do take that long or need to be processed. If that's the case, I need to reevaluate my style guide and go for characters that can be done within a week, or just try to keep going with this. But yeah, that's that. Anyways, I'm down here. I'm at here now. I'm at the this is the from the ER project, so I need to go ahead and get. What I'm trying to do right now is see if the team index need to be changed in some way. Yes, they do. I need to make sure. Oh wait, hold on a second. Can I have in each unit the base unit should already have the vector change? Why is that not? If that's the case, why is that not being called? All right, just add a break in my unit just to see what's going on here. Combat. That team. Okay. Okay, it's being called. It's being called. Okay, so this should be going through. Does unit contains is this true? False. Team index. If unit contains Oh, wait. It doesn't. Unit team index. Oh, it's working. Wait. What's going on here? Okay, it's not working. I think it's because this is working properly, but the team but unit team is not set up correct. Okay. Start combat. There's nothing to start combat with. Check team, get keys. Set team turn order. Okay. Let's look in the our game mode. Usually something is off. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and get. It's gonna do gameplay. We're gonna get actor. Here we're just looking for a grid. In each level, there will be one grid. And we're going to check it out. This should be valid, so this should be no problem. All right. Add my sequence. And then initialize. Okay. There might be some errors that might pop up, so I need to make sure that's working. All right. Does interface. Cool. This should be working. If grid. Uh-huh. It's getting the units right now, and I believe it's starting to add new units. Okay, so all this should be going fine. I want to take a look at add units just so I can remind myself what does it look like again. All right, yeah, units in combat. All right, okay. So things should be going fine. Awesome. Okay, now let's take a look at this. Do we have nothing's updated? Okay, okay, something's wrong here. Okay. First of all, I just want to go ahead and take a look at the combat list. Why are you disappearing? Here we go. This is free. So 0, 1, 2, 3 works fine. What's probably happening right now is that it's telling me that the unit teams are not containing the teams. Huh. That's frustrating. Team with an S. Okay. This looks like it's the only time that unit team has been added. When it should be used more time, which means units are not getting added. Okay, let's go through this again. Unit team index. Okay, then the code might be this code might be incorrect. Because I think what's supposed to happen? What's supposed to happen here is check if that unit check if the unit teams contains that team index. Find it and then remove it. That is what it's supposed to do. It is not doing that. So it was then supposed to create a unit set. So okay, I think what I'm gonna do right in here is make this blank and take this out. If number is greater than 0, it is not. Else, remove unit team index. All right, then we go back down here. If this contains, if unit teams contain team index, it just needs to add this unit. Or maybe not. We don't need to. Maybe we don't need to find the thing that contains it. I think what we really need to do is just add that team. And we're going to read through this code once more time, because the code I had right now was called unit set. Unit set is actually just a set. And this is actually doing it in an array. So I'm pretty much actually just reading this out loud in my head to check, to just figure out how to add the unit in here. I think it's just in my mind, all I really have to do is just add a unit. That's it. That's what I'm thinking right now. That's all needs to be done. I don't need to check if the unit team contains the team's index, because that team index will be added. It's going to be added with that unit set. Okay, then if that's the case, that's all we technically need right now. That's all we need. We don't need anything special, just this. should be good then. All that's left is to just restart. Not play, but restart. Trying to translate from blueprint to code seems pretty easy when you read through it, but it's kind of, to be honest, kind of the first time I thought there might be a set part in C++, but I don't think there is. I think there might be. I wasn't searching hard enough, or didn't do my due diligence read. Hey Mike, what's up? Or is it Alex? I think I'll call it Alex. Hey Alex, how you doing? So for right now, I'm just making a build and just trying to get this going. And build's ready to go. Just need to get ready to just get through. I need to figure this out in the future. Because this is annoying the heck of me. I have these gameplay tags. It's just not it's just somehow having a difficult time to find them, read them. Okay. We're done. Whew. Okay, back here. We are going to grab the UI. Debug. Go into here. And we're gonna leave that alone. Try again. All right. It didn't push, but it tells me this is now working. Awesome. So now I think the team index is working properly. So I should now be able to change teams properly. No. Okay. I'm not getting any errors. Maybe it has something to do with the action itself. Is this action actually being called? Like, is being called? Yeah, everything's being called here. All right. And it's the correct index. Right. Bam, 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 bam. Are you telling me this is not valid? Oh, no. Warning. Unit on file not found. Okay, we got something that's not valid right now. That sucks. All right, so combat. Switch it to 1. Oh, we'll click on this. Boom, 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 boom. It should be valid. Okay, it's not valid. It wasn't valid before. What changed now? Okay. All right. I guess what's happening right now is the one that's been the units that's been placed within the editor when being run in runtime is not being added in. That's an issue. Okay. Now this is actually being called. Finding the index is going to remove it, and it's going to do this. Add. Remove the team. It's then going to go here. No problem. Continue. All right, cool. Right. So frustrating. Wait. What's going on? Man, I got everything coding ready to go, and I get this. Okay. Click, 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 click. All right, it's telling me it's valid. It's telling me this is valid. Okay. Then it should be changing its color. Why is it not changing its color? Let's go ahead and scan through this. Void. It's basically removing that unit. If unit is where is greater than that, it will add the remaining unit. Or I think remove the remove the unit. To remove the index. Array, this unit gets added in here, and then it go in here. Unit set empty array. You're telling me this, the array is empty. Okay, so tell me the oh, you kidding me? Just tell me the unit in the unit team is empty. Great. Looks like I'm not going past this until we get this solved. Great. Okay. Just a recap. This is what I have in my blueprint, in my previous code. It's going in sequence. This sequence here is to check if this team index is not, well, this is just basic to make sure that it's not at teams not 255. And this one is to check. It's trying to find, trying to see if it contains a unit in this team index, and then get that unit gets added in to a set. And within that set, it removes that unit. Okay. Okay, I think I understand it. We're trying to see if the unit team contains this unit, and then it'll add it. It'll add it, and from there, unit team adds that set in there. Okay, that should do. I said it's getting annoying, but I'm just trying to make sure my logic makes sense. Like I'm pretty much right now. I'm just basically just reading through it and just trying to make sure that what I'm doing right here makes more sense than what I was trying to create. And right now, this set should make sense. Whew. All right. All right, so now I'm taking now I'm gonna take a look. Go ahead and take a look at this. Actually, let's take a look at right now. Let's do it. Okay, this is not sound because wherever this unit was supposed to be added, it's not being added. So I think I was correct in getting rid of this code because I think that this one's not being added at all. No. No. Wait. What am I doing? What am I thinking? Cancel. This makes sense. Looking at it now, this part makes sense. Why I'm saying this makes sense? Because we're now adding the set that's already made in there. I was just being an idiot right then and there because this is blank and we're just checking if that index exists. If it does exist, add whatever's in there, and then we add the unit into that set array, and then we then add that unit set along with a team that hooks up with that team index in there. There we go. I'm doing this out of habit. Close it down. All right, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. I was looking at it now. Do I need to? All right, one more time. This time we're going to add this in here. Here we go, set it to remove. The reason why is because we want to make sure that this unit is actually being removed and not just being removed because the unit is just it's just there, because the team index removed it, but we're able to just remove the unit completely. Yeah, scratch my chin, and what the fuck is happening? Okay, never mind. Alright, we should be good now. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, cool. And we should be good here. If that unit exists, it'll remove it. If it doesn't, we're not gonna worry about it. All right, we should be good now. Matter of fact, we should be so good that if I click on it now, oh, it's still not valid. Why? I'm so frustrated. Let me get frustrated all the whole moment right now. Trying to solve my dumbest, very, very dumb issue. Hold up a second. Can I? Yes, I can. I'm gonna do it this way then. Cause my head is sore. Cause my head is hurting. Set unit image import that function. Here's lanes. Next, and we are getting the unit array. Hey. Remove this. Here we go. Do this, do this. We're going to do a make or split actually. Right. And after that, we should have and then we should be good now. Oh yeah. On the okay, this is nonsense all. Okay, we start bonds. As soon as I saw component manager and seen the component class to be able to switch to that specific a new component, lights flashes for my eyes and realize I can come back and make sure I make it. I put code in. I put blueprint code. I'm able to put some blueprint code into it. Because I have no idea what's happening in my C++ code and why it's not why is it doing that. But I really want to get them to. I really want to get through with it and come back to it later. Now all I'm doing right now is making a build so that the blueprint callables are just basically callable. I say blueprint callable, but I meant like the delegates are callable in blueprint. Let's see. Plans for today. Um, I think during my stream, after my stream, I might get some rest. Um, I think after that, I want to try to continue on my skills on talking. So far, I think I'm doing very, very well. It's just like I just need to come up with some new topics because I realize is that there's not a lot of folks coming in here and just talk or say how I'm doing or what I think about this and that sort of thing. Because if I come out and say what I think about this, what I think about that, I might answer that. I might answer that because that's happening. I may answer that. A correction. I parentheses may talk about it. Okay. Initialize grid. You didn't like it? From read access violation. Read access violation? Okay. Let me take a look at it now. Okay, I see what's happening. I think I know what's happening. I think it's being dumb. Okay. Wait. Okay. Let's see if I can hear. Let's go into my game mode. Read only visible. All right. Read only and edit anywhere. Okay, so what I did right now is I switched the in the U property. I switched the visible anywhere to edit anywhere. The reason for that is the because it's not because the combat manager is not editable, and I want to be able to change that combat manager component with the one in the blueprint. Hopefully by making it editable anywhere instead of visible anywhere, I should be able to switch the combat manager to something else. At least that was a hope. Okay. All right, I did this before. I just need to do it. I need to do it again. I just need to remember how it's done. Oh. Let me set the none. Okay. Hold on a second. I know I did this before. I just need to remember how I did it again. And I think I remember where it was edited. I figured it was like last time I did something like this. Might be in the in here. It's not that. It might be in the grid. Because visible anywhere, read only. Because before I wasn't able to change any of that. So maybe I can do it on visible anywhere, I guess. That it should be visible anywhere, not just editable anywhere. Okay. Oh no. Okay, oh, wait, that's right. It was on the controller. And it was the player action that I had difficulty trying to get into. It has edit defaults only. Okay. So let me go back into my unit. No, it's not unit. What am I thinking about? It's game mode. Yeah. I figured it defaults only. And now we should be good. Thinking about this makes me think about the first time trying to do C++. I think back then I remember it was generally not that difficult. I had teachers that taught coding, especially the main coding of like C++ for a while now. But now it's like going back into coding. Kind of maybe felt like I was missing something. Whenever I was like reading the code or learning how to code, like yeah, I think it might be because of that. Okay. Let's go back to my in here. We should now be able to edit. No, we're not able to edit. All right. If that's the case, before we do any of this, I just want to see need for that if it's valid or not. Okay. Combat manager component. Good job, me. I broke a thing. Oh my god, there we go. Okay, there we go. That's what I want. I had no idea why it broke. But now I should be able to add this team. All right, no problem. No problem at all. Because now, because if this is not an issue, and this is now bugging the heck out of me. I can now go back to my go in here and actually have that override. Okay. To on unit, reach, new tile. I need to reach new tile. I sound bored because I'm doing this over and over again. Set unit theme. That unit. Use AI. Hey. Compile. Save. Okay. Okay, maybe it's not being set by the unit, or maybe maybe the unit is not getting the information it needs, or is that? For 24. This is 0 and this is 0. So they're getting the index. They're getting the index. That's not a problem. Okay. Let me do this. Unreal. Okay. He said, okay, all right. That's what I'm gonna do then. Okay. What I'm going to do now is actually go to the tactiles and it should be right. If not, I'm going to cry. Well, I think I'm gonna cry sooner or later because it's like 11. It's like showing that it's 11 things as a build, and it's probably not liking it. It's probably not gonna like it. Oh, okay. Wait. Yes. Try again. Yeah, I'm committed to try to get this done. I hope everything is Ichidori. I know I put set in there, but it might. Not sure if it's gonna be acceptable or not. I hope it is. Is yes, yes. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Add. Okay. Make this to array. Team index. We okay. Uh, actually, man, go ahead and end the stream this soon. It's like I'm getting really tired and like um my mind's not in the right headset. So I'm going to end the stream. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. Um, right now I'm having a bug issue. I'm gonna go sleep it off and come back later. All right. I'll see y'all soon. Bye bye.